Hi guys, welcome back to Dijon's Kitchen. Before jumping into this new video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Today we're making a super tasty, cheesy toasty. It can be done in a few different ways, but this is ours, which is the best. Spread the butter on one side of each piece of bread. Take one piece of the bread and spread evenly a good amount of Dijon mustard. Hey there! Yes, you! Now, I want you to press pause. I would like you to hit the subscribe button. It's only on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Grazie! Now, this is the fun part. Load it up with cheese as much as you want. I mean, it's a cheese toasty, so the cheese is the star of the show. Add some cracked black pepper to give it a bit of a kick. Super simple, toast your sandwich on each side until golden brown. Thank you for watching. Watch out for some new content dropping very soon.